What's up guys? Today we're making a healthy salad for lunch. So we're gonna have some lemon, avocado, bigger tomato, baby tomato, and we're going all organic today as well. So organic cucumber as well, carrots, lettuce, and just another type of lettuce. So that's what it looks like when I'm finished. You can have it how you like. However, I just cut the slices how I liked it and basically just popped it in my salad bowl for me and my family. This salad was just amazing, guys. If you like having healthy salad or healthy food like myself here, please like, subscribe, and share for more contents like this. I'll keep them coming. Thank you guys for supporting me, and thank you for liking and subscribing for all my new fans as well. This salad was just too nice. The lemon and just the tomato and the avocado and the two different salad, and I must say the salad is extremely lovely and healthy. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Goodbye.